Hi guys, a very warm welcome. This is Mehak Nair and that's Praveen Nair. And yes, we're going to be doing an easy breakfast recipe which is really quick. Like 5 minutes and it's done, and it's super healthy. Let's see the ingredients. Avocado, chili flakes, rock salt, cheese, black pepper, olive oil. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Just spread evenly, and now we're going to add our avocados to the same. So even if your avocados are half cooked, that's okay. We're going to cook them slightly. Eggs to the same. Now drizzle some salt to it. So I'm adding some sea salt to it. Now freshly ground pepper, black pepper. Over that I'm going to add some cheese, and lastly I'm going to add some chili flakes to the same. We're going to cook the same for 5 minutes.
Alright, here we are with the best recipe ever possible, and that too with all the nutrition that you can ever get from a single meal. So we've got fat, we've got good amount of protein, and at the same time good amount of fiber. So when you're looking for weight loss, this is something very important. You want to get the correct nutrition value, correct amount of food that can provide you good energy when you're in the gym, when you're working out. Generally what you get to see that when you're on a low calorie diet, you end up getting too much tired in the gym, but this is going to get you everything that you need to really get you a great workout. So make sure that you check out this recipe and try it for yourself once. Alright, if you try it once, you may get addicted and you may keep doing this again and again. Alright guys, you want to make sure that you subscribe our channel on YouTube and hit that bell button that you get the intimation on whenever we have a new video for you guys. Make sure to check out our section on the website for online training. The website is BodyProCoach.com. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.